Today I will show you how to remove reverb in Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I want you to do is load up your Audacity software, and once you're done, I want you to go to File and open up the project that you need to remove a reverb on a vocal for. Now, once you open up that project, it's gonna look something like this. Now, to find where the reverb is on a vocal, we can click on this vocal like this, go to Effect, and then you can see that some people like to add the reverb this way. Now we're gonna close this and we're gonna play the vocal again.
This is a vocal for reverb add.
No.
This is a vocal for reverb add.
It's always ideal to put the reverb on the channel itself. So when you go to Effect, you see the reverb on the channel, and when you play it, you see
this is a vocal for reverb add. This is a vocal for reverb add.
And it's just as simple
this is a vocal for reverb.
It's just as simple as turning off this reverb effect here. And once you click on this button here and you play,
this is a vocal for reverb add. This is a vocal for reverb add. This is a vocal for reverb add.
Now let's put the reverb back on and you hear the vocal difference.
This is a vocal for reverb add. This is a vocal for reverb add. This is a vocal for reverb add. This is a vocal for reverb add.
Now if you want to remove reverb from the channel altogether, you're going to click on this and you're going to click on no effect, and you can close this. And once you play it,
this is a vocal for reverb add.
Now
this
that's how
is
you
a
remove
vocal
reverb
for
from
reverb
Audacity.
add.
If you find this
This
video
is
helpful,
a vocal.
Now that's how you remove reverb from Audacity. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.